Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to use Google Sheets like a true pro with the speed and flexibility of a desktop app, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to open Google Sheets in a dedicated desktop-style window, complete with a handy shortcut on your taskbar. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to launch your Google Sheets with a single click, boosting your workflow and making you at least 10x more productive. Let's jump right into it. So first up, start by opening the Google Sheet you want to work with in Google Chrome. Now, you might be used to working in browser tabs, but the magic here is turning Google Sheets into its own separate app window. This keeps it right at your fingertips without all the usual browser clutter. To do that, make sure you've got Chrome open and you're looking at your spreadsheet. Next, glance up to the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see three little dots stacked vertically. That's Chrome's main menu, sometimes called the More menu. Click on those dots. Take your time, don't worry if you need a moment to find them. They can blend in with your other browser icons. When you click, you'll get a menu with lots of options. We're looking for a section a little further down. Hover your mouse downwards. Think of it like following a trail of breadcrumbs until you find what you're looking for. Depending on your version of Chrome, you might first see options like Cast, Save, and Share, or similar wording. What you want to look for is something that says Create Shortcut. Sometimes you'll need to hover or expand the Save and Share submenu to spot this option. Go ahead and click on Create Shortcut. A little window will pop up asking what you want to call this shortcut. You can leave it as Google Sheets or give it a more specific name like March Budget or Client Tracker, whatever makes it easy for you to pick out later. Here's a really important detail. Before you hit Create, make sure you check the box that says Open as Window. This is the secret ingredient that makes Google Sheets behave like a true desktop app rather than just a link. That way, when you open your shortcut, it won't look or act like a regular Chrome tab. It'll have its own window, just like a native program such as Excel or Word. Click Create, and like magic, you'll see a new shortcut icon appear on your desktop. But let's make it even more accessible. Click and drag that shortcut down to your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This pins it there, so now whenever inspiration strikes or a new idea comes in, you can launch your Google Sheet with a single tap, no digging through folders or opening browser tabs required. And that's it, you're all set. Now you've got a powerful, distraction-free setup for your spreadsheets right on your desktop. If any steps here felt a bit tricky, take your time. You really can't break anything, and you can always make more shortcuts if you need to. Thanks so much for watching. If this video made your productivity soar, don't forget to give it a like, and if you have any questions about making shortcuts or other Google tricks, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And of course, subscribe for more tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.